Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another entry I have received for my 400 SUBBIE celebration. It has closed, but I have received these a few since my challenge has closed. But I wanted to, before I open it, for you guys to look at how awesome this packaging is. And I'm sorry for the glare, but look, there's even glitter here inside. So cute. Okay, I'll be right back after I open this. Okay, this is from Lou David. Thank you, Lou. I appreciate you joining in on my celebration and for oh my goodness, look at how beautiful. Yes, 400, hooray. Thank you, girl. Oh, look at how beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. I thought this was going to be a loaded pocket. Whoa. Well, I guess it kind of was. Look at all of this. Oh my goodness. This was so cool. Okay, so let's see. She does have a Memorydex here. I'm like messing it up, I think. Maybe, I don't know. This might go in here. Maybe not. The card probably does go in here. It says, hooray, this is happening. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look. So like I said, it is Lou David. Look at, she printed this on like sticker paper or acetate. So cool. This is so cool. Thank you so much, Lou. I love it. And then let's see what's in here. How cute is this little flower? 3x3. Nice. Hi Maka, congrats on your 400 subbies. I hope your channel continues to grow and I will be watching. I know my entry is late, so sorry. I was hoping you can send me a Memorydex when you get some time. Love, Lou David. Oh my gosh, of course. I would love to send you a Memorydex. Thank you so much. I appreciate you entering. I am sorry that it is late. But yeah, hopefully my channel does continue to grow because I love celebrating and I would like to celebrate with my subbies. So looking forward to more giveaway chances. But look at how cute this tag is. And it's like paper clip embellishments. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And then she put them on a tag. I can use the tag too. You guys saw the Memorydex, yeah? And then look at how cute this loaded, like library pocket maybe, or I don't know, it's just too cute. Look at all, oh, it's an envelope. Oh my gosh, it says dream big. How cute. Oh, and she even included doilies. I thought they were attached to this. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's put that there. Look at how cute these little file folders are. Oh, and some envelopes. Wow, girl, thank you for all the goodies. Yep, good vibes only. Oh, I heart you. Yes, Lou, I do. How cute are these envelope pockets? Envelope pockets? Library pockets. So cute. That's cool because it's just like a sheet of paper. Oh, and then more. Thank you so much. I love these pockets. They are so cute. Some of them is fancy. Oh, thank you. Okay. And then she has this belly band in here, and tucked in the belly band, oh my gosh. Tucked in the belly band Oh, how cute is this topper? Both of them. Thank you. And then, oh, she gifted me some 3x3s. Thank you so much. I like including 3x3s in my Happy Mail or swaps. Thank you. They're so cute. Love this green. Fun, fun. Oh, she gifted me more stuff. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your love, your generosity, your creativity. I appreciate it so much. I will leave Lou's link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Till the next video. Shakas. Like and subscribe for more videos here.